Hey everyone! In today's video, I am going to tell you how you can use your WhatsApp to generate images. So let's get started. First, go to Google Chrome and you click on the three dots Select New tab. Now, search heycam and select Thai Chat on WhatsApp. As you can see, it is completely safe to use this website as it haven't asked any permission till now. As we can see in the screenshot how it is working, now I'll add this number in WhatsApp and send a message in this number. As you can see, you will get response in seconds, and they will ask you to choose your language. I will choose my language to English by typing /English, and now it asks you what image you want. So I will try something like moonlight, and it will take some time and it will give us the image. Here it has given us a link. All I have tapped on that link and see it is the link in which we can see how to write prompt. We will see this later in detail in video later. We have got the images. A beautiful sunrise with clouds and birds and any style and send it. Let's see what we have got here. As you can see, we have beautiful image with sun in between clouds and birds. So let's see what I can write to make this prompt better. Now I got the images, let's chat with it. It is very humble and that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.